Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Today, we're going to talk about smart contracts, one of the most powerful ideas behind blockchain technology. You might have heard people say, smart contracts replace lawyers. They run automatically. They power DeFi and NFTs. But what do they actually mean? By the end of this lesson, you'll understand what smart contracts are, how they work step by step, real-world examples, their advantages and risks. Let's keep it simple. 2. What is a smart contract? A smart contract is code that runs on a blockchain that enforces an agreement without a middleman. Simple definition. A smart contract is code that runs on a blockchain and enforces an agreement without a middleman. Real-life analogy. Imagine a vending machine. You insert money, you choose a product, the machine checks the rules. If conditions are met, then you get the item. No cashier, no trust needed. That's exactly how smart contracts work. 3. Why do we need smart contracts? Traditional contracts usually require lawyers, banks, notaries, trust between parties. This causes delays, high fees, human error, corruption risk. Smart contracts solve this by being automatic, trustless, no need to trust people, transparent, tamper-proof. Once deployed, the rules cannot be changed. 4. Where do smart contracts live? Smart contracts live on blockchains that support them, such as Ethereum, BNB Smart Chain, Polygon, Solana, Avalanche. Ethereum is the most popular and was the first to introduce smart contracts widely. 5. How do smart contracts work? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Writing the contract. A developer writes the contract in a programming language like Solidity, most common on Ethereum. Example rule. If person A sends 1 ETH, then person B receives ownership of an NFT. Step 2. Deploying the contract. The contract is uploaded to the blockchain, given a contract address, and made public and permanent. Once deployed, no editing, no stopping. Step 3. Interaction. Users interact with the contract by sending crypto, calling functions, and connecting wallets like MetaMask. Step 4. Automatic execution. If conditions are met, the contract executes instantly, no human approval needed. If conditions are not met, nothing happens. Simple, fair, automatic. 6. Real-world examples. DeFi, decentralized finance. Smart contracts allow lending and borrowing, trading, and yield farming. Example, you deposit crypto, contract gives you interest automatically. NFTs. Smart contracts create NFTs, transfer ownership, pay royalties to creators. Example, every time an NFT is resold, the artist gets paid automatically. Escrow services. Instead of a middleman, funds are locked in a smart contract released only when conditions are met. Gaming and DAOs. In-game items owned by players. Voting systems run by code. 7. Advantages of smart contracts. Add. No middlemen, lower costs, faster execution, transparent rules, global access. They work 24/7 anywhere in the world. 8. Risks and limitations. Smart contracts are powerful, but not perfect. Bugs in code. Once deployed, bugs can't be fixed easily. No flexibility. Code doesn't understand emotions or exceptions. Security hacks. Badly written contracts can be exploited. That's why audits and testing are very important. 9. Conclusion. Let's summarize. 1. Smart contracts are programs on the blockchain. 2. They execute rules automatically. 3. They remove middlemen and increase trust. 4. They power DeFi, NFTs, and Web3. 5. They are powerful, but must be written carefully. Smart contracts are not the future. They are already here. If you want to build on blockchain, learning smart contracts is a huge step forward.